So hello guys, how are you all? This is the Kaggle dataset where we need to download any of the dataset, like many of the learners, machine learning engineers and aspirants who are continuously asking me that how can we download a dataset. So from this Kaggle dataset I have downloaded a copy of Sonar dataset in a CSV file. Now after downloading I have just put it into this is the what do you say Excel sheet, and with this Excel sheet it is our untrained data set that we need to modify now. So we just open Google Colab and here put on this folder. After this folder we have this sample data set. You can import your own data set from this icon, and then just you have to start with this, like I was just about to tell you, import numpys, np, pandas, sklearn linear model. Here we are using logistic regressions. As you can see here, the first process that we need to do is that we need to collect our data and process it. So data collection and processing. Afterwards we need to find out our header items, as we do not have any kind of header elements, but still we are finding the top 4 elements. And if we can scroll to this side, we have total 60 elements, 4 rows and 60 columns or something like that. And now we have just counts our value. M stands for mine and R stand for rock. This is a sonar dataset in which we need to find out how many mines and rocks are present under the ocean if a sonar ship is going to cross them. So here we have just classifying the data. Here we have trained the data with our training data sets, and as you can see we have applied the logistic regression method here. Then we have to evaluate the data. After evaluating it, we need to run it on the training data sets, and if finally the answer could come up to your choice, like if you want to make a predictive system, you have to provide your input data here which has been trained previously yet. Then you have to change the input data to a numpy array and then reshape the numpy array as we are predicting one more instance. If prediction will be equal to rock, the object is a rock, else it is a mine. So after conversion in my input data from that previous numpy array, it has decided that the decision given to it is a mine. So this is how a machine learning dataset works. And now if you want to expose the code in your GitHub, you have just trained your dataset in machine learning model in Colab. You have this option file. You can click on it. There is an option save or copy in GitHub. After that you have a GitHub repository name. Click on OK. I've already done it. Like here it is. This is my GitHub account, what's technologies, and here is the complete dataset. So I hope now you got to understand. Many of the learners were continuously asking me that how can we integrate Google Colab with GitHub. So I think that now you are most aware of this. Okay, that's all about it. Thank you.